Now tell me, what is this? Yes, it's a sheep. And sheep is a farm animal. Now children, do you know what we are going to do? Today we will paste some cotton on it. You know, sheep has a furry skin, so we are going to paste cotton. So we need gum stick and some cotton. Now first of all, I will apply the gum on it like this on the sheep. What is this? It's a sheep. Now I will take some cotton and stick it like this. Wow, my sheep is looking very cute. What is the color of this sheep? Yes, white. And sheep is a farm animal. Say with me, sheep is a farm animal. How many legs does it have? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4.